hinge window mount is our preferred method of framing from an archival perspective. It means a minimal amount of adhesive is used on the artwork. We always hinge the longest side of the mount to create the strongest join. Here we hinge down the side. A landscape image would be hinged across the top. We line up the backboard and frame, leaving just a small gap between to enable the hinge movement. We use a conservation quality tape to run down the spine of the hinge. Measure and cut. Gently run the tape across the gap. Then run your nail or burnishing bone over the tape to provide a good seal. We can now line up the print inside the window, ensuring an even space around the sides of the image, with extra space at the base to accommodate the signature. Weighing down the print keeps it in place when fixing, using double-sided tape or a gummed paper tape, as we are doing here. Wetting just the end tip of the tape, then sliding the wet end behind the print and pressing down. A second piece of hinging tape forms a T shape across each fixing. Securing the print to the backboard rather than the mount makes it much easier to reframe or change the mount in the future without damaging the artwork.